Good day, viewers. My name is Vincent. I welcome you once again to training presentations on ground system solutions. Today, I'm going to be looking at the upload module. The upload module of ground system is the module that deals with direct upload of bulk data from Excel into the system. When you already have an existing manual way of data capturing and management, and you are implementing ground system for your school or for your business. So this ground upload will help you to prepare such data in an Excel format and upload it seamlessly to ground system. So ground system has a format which we call a rich text format. After preparing that data in the Excel sheet, you need to save the data in a format which is known as the CSV comma delimited format. CSV comma delimited, which is this one. This is a rich text format. This is the format which ground system is built on. Any format apart from this particular rich text format, ground system will not be able to read that format into the system. So this upload module supports most of the key data capture screen across all the modules of ground system. So with this module, you can upload to ground system from all the modules of ground system. As you know, ground system is cloud-based, meaning that it is highly scalable. You can have access to ground system anywhere and anytime in the world, so long as you have your internet-enabled device and your internet connection. For this particular upload mode, this particular module, which is the upload module, provides a platform where you can work offline, so that anytime you have access to the internet, you can now upload that particular data into ground system using an internet connection. So for the purpose of this training today, I'm going to be deliberating more on student biodata capture on the enrollment module, and I'm going to be going briefly to the billing to upload fee, a particular fee to ground system. So what do? We know that ground system is cloud-based. So we put in our URL address. This is the long page of ground system where I put my username and password. So for you to be able to use this upload module effectively, you have knowledge of how to use the other modules of ground system. So this is the upload module here. This is the upload module. I can go from here. I click on go. Now here you see data upload operation. Now the system provides you with templates of all the modules in ground system. So if you download these templates directly into your system, now you can be able to log out. Then at any time, you can go into your system, click on open any of the templates, then start capturing the data required for that particular template in ground system. So this is data upload operation where you can download the template as well as upload the data into ground system. So if I click on go on data upload operation, you have your delimiter, comma delimiter, which is defaulted to ground system, which is the format in which ground system reads. So here you see target table. Here you download any of the tables which you want to work on. You can see ground accounting here, administration is here. All the modules in ground system, they are here. All you need to do is just to scroll down to the particular module which you want to work on. Click on it and download the template. The same thing goes when you want to upload. You need to come here and specify the particular table in which you want to upload the data into, so that ground system will read the data you're uploading into that particular table. Now here I want to capture the data of a student, or I want to enroll a student in ground system. So what do? I scroll down to enrollment module. Now this is the enrollment module. If you scroll up, you will see the billing. You see the billing module here. Right, like I said before, this module supports most of the key data capture screen across all the modules of classes. So here you can see most of the key data capture screen here. So here I go to enrollment. Here you can see classes, subject, countries, schools, students, the registration, employee by data, and all that in enrollment. So I want to capture for students. So what do I do? I'm at current enrollment students. Here is where you capture the data of students or the biodata of students into the system. So I click on this place, go to download template, click on it. So now the system, it has downloaded the templates directly into the downloads storage place of my system. That's my computer system. So from here, I can open it or I can log out anytime. It's already in my download, so I can go here, go to downloads, then look for it, which is this one. Then I can open it. Now this is me at my leisure time. Now I want to capture the data into the system. Now, first of all, if I'm migrating an existing manual data, then I will know, having set the admission number format in the system, I will know the particular admission number format which I use for my school. So now you can see here, say admission number, entry session, and all that. So this is the particular feeds which you are going to see when you are capturing for students. Okay, to confirm that, let's go to home, go to enrollment static data. Like I said, you need to know how to use all these modules. So if you have not be able to view our presentation on all these modules, I would advise you to go back and look at them. Then you'll be able to understand what you are doing in the upload module. So here you see student biodata registration creates. Now here you can see the admission number. All these feeds here, admission number, surname, other name, and all that. Class details, address, sponsor details, parents details, previous school details, and all that. So here, all these fields here are the same fields which you are going to see on the template which you downloaded in your system. So all you need to do, the headings are already here, is just to fill in. So here, maybe I use 2 as the admission number, then the entry session of the student. No, now if you want to download as many as, all you need to do is just click on this place and drag it down, then the system will be able to assign admission number. But if you already have an existing admission number format for your students, all you need to do is just enter the admission number of that particular student or your students on these particular columns here. Then entry session, the session which the student entered the school. I'm going to use this. Let me use 2020. Entry term, I can say term 2. This is the term code representing the second term, term 2. Entry class, I can say, as you've already set up all these things in the system before you come to student data capture. If you followed me in the enrollment module, then you would have known what I'm talking about by now. Now, NUR1A representing nursery 1. Current class, I can say NUR2. Previous class, NUR1A. Now the annex AN001 representing the annex 1. The reason, that's if the student is current in the school, dismissed or whatever. I'm going to use RS001 because it's current in the school. So what is the student's surname here? Maybe tick the surname, or let's use stick rather. Stick is the surname. The first name of the student, maybe Wood, maybe Woodward, whatever. Then if you have this one is not a compulsory field, other name. But if you have it, information, you can as well fill it in. Maybe Woodward stick log. Student email address, maybe stick at mail.com. student photo. This one, you cannot capture this information here. Moreover, it's not a compulsory field. After you must have uploaded into the system, you can use the edit option and fixing the student's photograph. Date of birth of the students. Now here in Crown system, we use the date formats, year, month, day in the upload module in the Excel sheet. I repeat again, the date format for the Excel sheet is year, month, day. And you use the underscore as the separator in any dates which are capturing in Crown system. So date of birth of the students, maybe I say 2000, separate underscore, maybe I say May, which is 05, separate underscore, maybe 2nd of May. Yes, sex of the students, and that is male. Marital status, this person is single. Now religion, maybe he's a Christian. I use Christianity. It's a Christian. Now home address, I use number 5. Number 05, maybe Crescent Avenue. Zip code. If I know that, if I have that information, it's not compulsory, so I can put it. The state of origin of that particular student, maybe it's Lagos. The nationality, let's assume the person is in Nigeria. That's the national, that's the country code. The sponsor's name, I can say maybe Vince. The sponsor's phone number 00234 and that. Sponsor's email address, maybe vince@mail.com. Remember, I need to put the correct email address here so that when the system is sending mails to this particular sub-sponsor, the system will be able to send the mail to the correct mail. The sponsor will be able to receive the message. Now, father name, maybe his name is Tiga. All right. This father's profession, if you have that information, maybe he's consultant or an engineer or whatsoever. Father's phone number 00234 that. All right. Father's email address of the father @mail.com. Mother's name, maybe mother's name is Beauty. Now here in the upload module, we use capital letters once we are capturing information into the system. Now, mother's profession, maybe is a nurse. Mother's phone number here, 00234 that and that. Mother's email, maybe mother@mail.com. All right, the last class of the students, maybe let's use R1.2. That was his last class. The reason for leaving that particular place, maybe ROS 003. ROS 003 meaning they are on transfer. That's the code. Now this information, you don't need it. You don't need this information. You don't need this one. Now other info for leaving the previous school, if you have it, you can put that here. Now admission date. Admission date, the date the student was admitted into the school. I say 2020. Remember, year, month, day. separator underscore 2020 01 09. Right. The method of admission, if it's transfer, you put it. If it is regular admission, capture that information here. Regular admission. Now, house code, if you have this information, you can put it. And all this, if you have all this information. Now, this is formal school. If you have the formal school name, you can feed that here, maybe OGC, the formal school name. But all this other information, you don't need them. Don't need all this other information. Now, about this other information for leaving previous school, if you have it, maybe not proficient in English language or whatever, find it difficult on whatever subject, you feed that information here. So we are through with one student. Now, if you still want, if you have as many students as possible, you can capture that information here. You can always upload them. Now we are done with the students we want to capture here today. What do? We save this. We save this. It's already in CSV comma delimited file. If you want to know that, if you go to file, go to save as. Now save as type, you see save as type here is already in rich text, CSV comma delimited. Now I've already saved what I want to save. Right. Save. Now I'm done. Now at my other leisure time, and I have an internet connection, and I'm through with the work I'm doing offline. Can now go back to Crown system, put in whatever I want to put in, then go to upload. Go to the upload module, click on it, data upload operation from here, data upload operation from here. Now, before I go to data operation, here you are seeing the data upload table. This is where you create the tables, where you can upload data to in the system, and the tables where you can download the template from is in this option that you create. If you click on go here, you will see table name, description, and the module. So this is where you create this. Now, look at the ones that were created in the system. So these ones, they will be created for you in the system. So you don't have any business here. For the purpose of having this knowledge, that's the reason why I want to show you this. It's already created in the system already. So this is the quick reports where you will report across the Crown upload module. And then before I go to data inquiry, let me perform that upload. Now here, like I said before, which table do I want to upload the data into, or which table do I work on? And I want to upload that data into. I go straight to enrollment, students. All right. Now, I choose the source where I want to upload that the data from. This is the template that I worked on. Click on it to open. Now it's here already. Now I can click on upload to upload that particular entry. Yes, now you can see data upload completed for table students. That data has already been uploaded in the system. Now you can see the data upload inquiry. This is the functionality where the system takes me to. Now from here you can view, you can see it. If there are any records that the system rejected, you will see them here. Total record rejected, and you will see this functionality beside it. Error. If you click on this error, you will see, if you click on it, the system will tell you the table or the number, the column, the particular column or the row where that error occurred, and what was the cause of that error. What made the system to reject that particular entry. So you can come here. Once you look at this place, you know, okay, it's talking about number 5, admission number, whatever, data truncation, or that is data too long, that it has been cut short. That's what this data truncation means. So what you need to do is just go and minimize that particular data. You just go and correct that particular data and re-upload for that particular entry. Again, and the system will be able to accept it. So that is that for data upload inquiry. Now for the students who we just uploaded into the system, let's see if actually that particular student is in the system. So we know that we are capturing this biodata in the system. We go to home, crown, enrollment static data. We go to student biodata, registration. We click on updates. Click on update. Now we can see the admission. Look at the particular student here that we just uploaded for. That is the particular student. Wood was thick. Must release. Now from here you can now edit the student and fix in the photograph. Fixing the photograph and edit the other information that you did not have previously. So you can see it here. All right. So that is it for the upload module. So that's how you can do for country enlisting, state enlisting, terms enlisting, all these functionalities here. The information you require to fill in here, you can use the upload module to do that. Not only limited to the enrollment module, you can do that for billing, you can do it for assessment, you can do it for movement tracking, which is the attendance module, and you can as well do it for crown administration, like in case when you are creating your users in the system. You have so many users to create, you don't have the time to log into the internet and start capturing them one after the other. You can just download the template from the crown upload, download the template from here. No, that's data upload operation. Download the template from here, just go straight to administration. Assessments. Asset register. Administration should be up. Yes. Just go at crown administration user. You download the template, you go and capture the information, come here and upload. So that is it for the crown upload module. Let me do one more exercise in the billing module. Let me try to capture one bill. All right, what do I do? All right, let me create a fee. I go to the billing. I go to fees. I download the templates. Already downloaded in my system. I can open it from here and work on it. This is fee code, fee name, amount, currency code, payment frequency, applicable, fee application, the applicable students, and the gender. All right, I can say fee code. I can say fee code. I can say FED or FEFEE or FDFEE. What you give to it. This is all right. Let me start afresh. FDFEE. That's for feeding. Feeding name. The fee name can say all right, feeding fee. Feeding fee. That's the currency code. I can say this fee will be paid in Naira. NGN, Nigerian Naira. NGN. Let's go to the system and see the currency already created in the system so that we don't make mistake. So that the system will not reject. Let's go to currency, go to updates. Let's see for NGN. All right, we are right on track. NGN, the amount maybe let's say is 4,500 Naira. Payment frequency is going to be one-off, term-wise, or is it going to be session-wise? Well, I want it to be one-off. So I do one-off. Applicable gender. Do I want everyone? Do I want only males or female? I specify it there. So I want everyone to be paying this bill. And the gender. All right, the applicable, the gender, Control X. I want the gender, I want everyone to be paying it. Oh, for fee application, the applicable student, do I want foreign student, local students, or any student to be paying the bill? I want it both foreign and local. Come here and say any students will pay this bill, both foreign and local, all of them. This bill is applicable to them. So I'm done. If I have other B's to fill in here, I will as well do that. So I save this. Close it. Close that. All right. So now I want to upload. Now I want to upload. I go to home. Ground upload. Data upload operation. Fees. I go to ground billing. Fees. That's the target table I want to upload to. Remember, I downloaded the template from this same target table. I go to my downloads. Where is it? My downloads. That's it. Fees. And I upload. All right, you can see fees. Data upload completed for table fees. This is fees. This is the date. This is the time I uploaded. This is who uploaded it using my sign-on name. But my name, put my surname and my surname and my first name here. Total record uploaded, 1 record. Total record rejected, 0. So I can always come to this data upload inquiry and make inquiries on who uploaded whatever the person uploaded. I can always come to this data inquiry to look for, that's to view the information of people that made uploads into the system. So now we go to billing. Let's see if that's data which we captured using the billing, the upload module is in the system. Now that should be the fees. Fee setup, updates. Now we come here, we look for the fee. FDFEE. All right, this is the fee we just created. So before I round off for today, I want to give you one secret when using the upload module. In case you don't know how to go about capturing the information in the system, I would advise you to always capture one. Like let's assuming you want to capture for fees in the system. All you need to do, or you want to capture for currency or any of these ones, just come to the create, capture one. That's if you've not used the upload mode before. Capture one, then go to the reports, go to quick reports, and view that entry which you made into the system. Like let's say currency table. You want to capture for currency. How does it look like? Because it is how it looks like on the system. That is how it's going to look like in the templates that you will prepare. If you prepare anything aside from how it looks like in the system, then the system will not be able to recognize it. The system will reject it. That's why you'll be seeing total records rejected. The system will be giving you those records and giving you the cost of it rejecting those records. So you load. Now here you see for the currency code, you put the currency code, currency name, access to local currency, and all that. Just this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 fields. That's what you are going to fill. So the way it's looking like here, that's how you are going to do your own. The same thing goes to all the modules. All the modules. Administration, you come here, you want to view for users, you go to administration reports, go to quick reports. How do I capture for users? You come here, you go to the users table, click on load reports. The system will bring out that information, how it's going to look like. So you first of all go to create one, go and view a quick report for it. Know how it looks like, what is required of you to do when you are capturing that particular data in the Excel sheet or the Excel templates which you downloaded. Yes, that is how you do it. And that is all for the upload module today. And I believe with these two examples that I just carried out, you will be able to use the upload module efficiently. And like I said before, if you've not known how to use the other modules of Crown System, please view our previous presentation on them so that you'll be able to know how to use them. and the upload module will be very, very easy for you. So having done that, I'm done for today. I log out from the system, close my browser. And once again, I thank you for bringing out your time to participate in this training on the upload module. And until I come your way in the next session of Crown training presentation, my name still remains Vincent, and I thank you once again.